Studies show that most people would rather text than talk. But if you're like most small businesses, you're just not set up to effectively manage this important communications channel. That can all be fixed in just minutes with Partners Text, an SMS enablement of your business phone number. You don't have to change phone carriers or install any equipment, just 2 simple steps. First, get the sign-up link from the person who sent you this video and sign up for Partners Text and get your business phone number SMS enabled. Next, follow the instructions in your welcome email to log into the web application or download the mobile app. That's it. You can now add call or text to your business cards, signage, websites, and other marketing material to let your customers know that they now have additional ways to reach you. Customers can also send you pictures to convey information that might be hard to describe in words. You can configure the system to forward the text message to one person or a group, and they can receive the text messages on their mobile phones or from any PC, laptop, or tablet. Anyone who receives a message can reply. You can also configure the system to recognize keywords and automatically reply with commonly used responses based on those keywords and time of day routing. Driving directions, hours of operation, menus, sale coupons, special events. All these things can be automated responses triggered by keywords that you choose. Replies can be text or pictures. Make text messaging as easy as sending or receiving an email with Partners Texting service.